As we run this test, we're monitoring all the temperatures, the vibrations, and overall performance and operation of the whole package. All these readings are also being monitored automatically by our PLC system. Everything is being transmitted to the central system that's logging this data. Our test facility already has 17,000 gallons of water in holding tanks here and a charge pump that feeds the water to the main pump. So after we pull the package into the test facility, we hook up the suction to the discharge of our charge pump so that the main pump can be fed the water.